Tomorrow's innovators, problem solvers, and change makers are sitting in today's classrooms. Are we preparing them for the world they're about to lead? 65% of children in school today will grow into careers that don't even exist yet. To thrive in this uncertain, fast evolving world, they need more than just knowledge. They need adaptability, creativity, and the ability to turn ideas into action. That's why STEM, robotics, and AI education is no longer optional. It's essential. It builds the mindset and skill set for the future of work. India's National Education Policy, NEP, recognizes this shift, placing strong emphasis on experiential, hands-on education and application-oriented learning from an early age. Because real understanding comes not just from knowing, but from doing. At Curious Learning Labs, we are embedding the spirit of innovation into schools through a holistic STEM, robotics, and AI ecosystem that emphasizes hands-on exploration and real-world problem solving. We don't just supply labs, we build the foundation for India's next generation of innovators. From designing age-appropriate learning kits to building customized STEM robotics AI curriculum to enabling in-classroom implementation and teacher support, we take care of everything so schools can focus on what matters most: nurturing young minds. It's a seamless loop between the physical and the digital, all guided by continuous mentorship that fosters true problem solving. This is how we build not just projects, but a sustainable culture of innovation in every school we partner with. Over the years, Curious has grown through real-world experience, evolving into a comprehensive school-ready solution that's designed not just to inspire, but to work on the ground. From turnkey ATL lab setups to thoughtfully designed Create labs tailored to different growing school requirements, from theme-based innovation spaces to structured DIY kits and workshops, hands-on teacher training, engaging student competitions, and robust curriculum and assessment tools, every element is crafted to bring 21st century learning to life in classrooms. In just a few years, we have reached over 5 lakh students, empowered 10,000 teachers, and partnered with 600 plus schools across India. From leading city schools to rural government classrooms, our learners are transforming ideas into innovation, winning first place at the Delhi Robotic League, topping international competition in Shanghai, and securing state-level awards across multiple regions. Their achievements have earned recognitions from school leaders, industry mentors, and even the highest levels of governments for making future-ready skills truly accessible. The results speak for themselves, not just in awards, but in the mindsets transformed, skills unlocked, and futures reimagined.
I'm a student of 9th standard, and today we have displayed this hi-fi bot.
The material is very and what temperature it is meeting?
Let's see, 200 degree.
ਪ੍ਰਤੀਵਾਈਟ ਇਹ ਨਾ ਕੰਟਰੋਲ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਬੈਟਰੀ ਜੋ ਕਿ 12 ਵੋਲਟੇਜ ਦੀ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਮਾਈਕਰੋ ਕੰਟਰੋਲਰ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਹੈ ਪੂਰਾ ESP।
ਬੇਟਾ ਕੰਟਰੋਲ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨਾਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਆਪਾਂ?
ਸਰ ਇਸ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਸੈਂਸਰ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਦਾ ਪੂਰਾ ਨਾਮ MPU 6050 ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਮਾਈਕਰੋ ਕੰਟਰੋਲਰ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਜੇ ਇਹ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਸਰ ਫਿਰ ਇਹ ਕੰਟਰੋਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ, ਨਾ ਹੀ ਇਹ ਚੱਲਦਾ।
I'm delighted to share my experience with Curious, a company that has been instrumental in transforming education through their innovative approach. 3 years ago, Curious established a cutting-edge robotics and AI lab in our school. And since then, it has been an incredible journey of learning and exploration.
So students can, I think, learn problem solving at a very early age, apart from because most of their curriculum is about mugging up the facts.
Our journey is just beginning. We are on a mission to build a national community of 1 million innovators. The future isn't waiting to be discovered, it's waiting to be built. Partner with Curious Learning Labs. Let's architect the next generation of Indian innovation.
We are
curious.
curious.